Alright, let's see how the 77 van goes. It's a 300 straight 6, 3-speed on the column. It's been sitting for 3 months without being started, so we'll see how she goes. It does have the original carburetor on it that's never been touched. Put in neutral. And we got power. I'm not cranking too quick. Oh, there she goes. They're running. They're pretty good too. Not bad for how cold it is too. It's about 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh yeah, she's burning oil. This one burns oil when it's cold, meaning it's got dried up valve seals. Wow, good van. Oh, this one's all iced up, eh? Well, that was successful. They are both currently running on premium gas. I only put premium in them before winter storage, so that way the ethanol and the regular gas doesn't rot out in the tank.